In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a clickable link to your YouTube videos. So here's a video that I have, and I have a clickable link here, which when someone is to click on it, it's going to redirect them from YouTube to system.io, which is where I'm linking. So I'm going to show you how you can do that in this video. So what you want to do is first go to YouTube and make sure you're logged in. Then go ahead and go to your channel icon. Then go to your YouTube studio. And once you're in your studio, you want to then go to content on the left here. So now you're in content, you should see all of your YouTube videos, and you can choose which one you want to now add a link to. So let's say we want to add a link to this one here, how to create a blog in Google Sites. So if you then go ahead and click on details, it will then take you inside the video details page where you can now add links to your description. Now here's something on adding links, right? Let's say I want to link my Twitter profile, so I can write, follow me on Twitter. Now I need to grab my Twitter link, so if I go to Twitter, I can then go ahead and find the link I want to send people to. So if I go to profile, you can see here is the link to Twitter. So if I copy this, I can then go back to the YouTube video details editor and paste it in. Now with links, you always want to have https:// at the start, otherwise it won't be clickable. And I'll show you what I mean here. So I'll link twitter.com in one, and I'll add the full link in the next line, and we'll click save, just so I can show you the difference here. Now if we go ahead and view this video, you can see here without HTTPS the link isn't clickable. It's not highlighted blue, but with HTTPS at the start, we can click on this and it's going to redirect, in this case, to my Twitter profile. So there we go. So I hope that video did help you out. Leave a like if it did.